So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Happy Sunday. I'm just here with a little update for you guys. Like, I just come from off of the road. I just came off the road and I come sitting here and just like breeze off because I'm tired. I must say, I did just scroll through TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all kind of things. I said, "Cho, as I come in, I'm start scratch." I said, "Cho, I think now would be the perfect time for like come give you guys the updates in regard to my job because I did finally made a decision because I know I made a video I think a few days ago ranting and raving about my job and telling you guys that I'm wondering if I should leave and stuff like that and yada yada yada. A while ago I did I try to listen back to the video because you know some remember every single thing I'm telling you say too much things up on the girl head. Remember everything I'm telling you say, but anyways I'm gonna try remember and telling you what I need for telling you based on that. My belly hurt me for the past couple of days, but I really been at eat properly. But anyways, back to the story. So, job update, basically. So, anyways, guys, I don't remember if I specifically told you guys in the last video or I just say I'm thinking. I don't remember if I just said I'm thinking if I should leave my job or I gave you guys specific details. So I'm just gonna pick up from this anyways. It's whatever. So whew, guys, all I can say is God is truly amazing. Like for the past couple of days, it's like I just all cry for no reason because I don't know how to feel. Like, alright, I'm gonna stop dragging it out before I'm gonna share the joy and the sorrow at the same time. And come on, one here, I'm there, whatever. Okay. So I think I told you guys, I don't remember. I was supposed to get a promotion at my job and you know, like them been a go round for months and then after a while I was just like, it's whatever, I don't really care no more. Guys, I know the camera blurry plus the light I come through the window, but I just could have move from here, so hopefully y'all can see me well and it doesn't affect the quality of the video that much. Them been a go around me and thing or whatever. And I don't know, it just kind of make me feel overwhelmed and stressed and whatever. Somebody just start applying for some other jobs and thing because I don't know, like given my potential, like I know I deserve more. I never need nobody to tell me. Them know to cause them tell me. And I think I told you guys they wanted me to be a coach for the bank, to coach new bankers whenever they come in. Yes, I'm that good. I'm just at work 1 year. Self-praise is no recommendation, but you have to motivate yourself as well and you have to big up yourself. Yeah. So they wanted me to be a coach and for months some people go around me and I said this and I said that. Anyways, long story short, again about 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago or 1 week ago, like I said so much things up on my head, I don't want to tell a lie. They finally called me up, interviewed me for the job and said, boom, we're ready for you. Bust off the interview. Cause girl intelligent, girl smart. Don't watch the nice, don't pay attention to all some app on my YouTube video them. It's all entertainment. Girl bright. Mash up that. People them say coach it is. We're ready for get the job. But anyways, me supposed to have like one next little mini, a third little mini. What do really call it an interview, but something with some like other board of directors and whatever. Tomorrow, which me still I gotta do anyways. But while I did that, I just gonna work on whatever because I never get you know about them in regards to the job. I applied for some other jobs. One was with another bank, and the minute I applied, them reached out to me the same day. I interviewed like maybe 2 days later. I don't want to tell a lie, and then you know the people them, but I get the vibes so them really like me and whatever like me. I say alright then, look like my bingo. 3 weeks past me to hear them back. Me I say okay. Okay, them not bother with me. Okay, fine. I never make it worry me because I know I still have a job regardless. But like I said, I spread my wings because I was tired of being in the same place doing the same thing and I feel like I just never reach nowhere. A few days ago, the next bank come apply to reach out back to me and I say, hey, we are finally ready for you. We decided that you're the best choice for us. Now this is a bigger and more stable bank that the one that I'm at. The one that I'm at is a bigger bank, but the one that I'm I applied to outside was a bigger, a more popular one, then put it that way. Sorry, I can't tell you the name. I want to tell you, but I can't tell you now for my security reasons and for the people them as well and whatever. So somebody just sit down and me I say, one of the time me I cry and me I say, God, show me a sign, because now it's so crazy. From just a scratching at that at church, yeah, it's so crazy how as soon as I decide to apply for a new job, my job finally ready to give me the job, I get the two job, and now I don't know which one to choose. I don't remember if that's what I told you guys on the last video, but that's where I'm at now. And I don't know, but like sometimes it's so crazy because for the last like month or two, it's like my horoscope been saying like I need to move on to newer environments and new opportunities are waiting for me, yada 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 yada. Like I mean like for about 2 months straight. And don't get me wrong, you know, I don't really follow up these things, but sometimes it's just so coincidental, the things that make a set here and you just feel like you can't relate. It's like you just have to believe or want believe. You get what I try to say? I know not understand what I try to say. So with that being said, I sit down and I say, should I stay at my job where I'm more comfortable, I'm more established, I'm already used to the people, I get to work from home on some days, or should I get up, take this new opportunity, go to this bigger bank where, well, the difference is my go work every day. I don't get to work from home, but the benefits are better. What's so funny is the salary that they're giving, that both jobs are about to give me the same, but the newer bank that wants me to, want to come over this, so they have more benefits. So in my mind is like, Jody, this is not really a hard pick, like time to step out, but I'm nervous, like fear, and I mean for years, fear have kept me in places where I should have been come out, or like I could have been way ahead in life, and just out of fear and anxiety, I make whole heap of things pass me, and me I try to change that now. Like me I try to change that now. So me I say, alright. And then when them call me from the other bank, and the guy was like, we took so long because we were literally back and forth between you and another person, and like they were like, you're just so good, like we couldn't help but to say, all right, then you're our final decision. In my mind, I'm like, oh my God, I can't let down these people, because my job now finally decide, say them finally ready to give me what's due to me, when them people are even gonna offer me more in terms of benefits. So it's like, may I cry at the same time, and I say, God, you're good, you know, you're good, because here I am baffling between two jobs. Like, God is so good. And the next thing is, I sit down and I say, look how long I'm gonna hear back from the people, and God literally made the people them call me back when my job decided to give me a promotion. So then I just me have to make the choice. But like the timing in which it make it happen is like I'm still in a disbelief, like all of this are going right now. And sometimes we don't even see our own potential, because I'm just there, like every day I'm sitting on like me, I said, then Jody, are you really you this? Are you this? Like I was always somebody with ambitions and dreams anyway, and girl did always just need a push in her life. So yeah, I knew eventually that I would go far. But in like the 1 year that I've been working here, is like I still can't believe, say, I mean this. Like me, I do so much, like to the point I'm always telling her I'm so overwhelmed and depressed and stressed half the time, but just I keep it real with you know, because I do so much. And I'm a real person, so I say it like it is. I'm not pretend or whatever, like certain things not going with me. Half the time I'm stressed because I have a lot going on, school, work, pitney, family life. But you have to do what you want. You have to do what you have to do to reach where you want to go, and that's just it. You know, if we should sit down and be rational, we just know that we have to do what we have to do if you want to be progressive, or if you want to move forward, or you want to evolve. So I finally decide to go with the other bank that is giving me the offer. So I'm basically going to be resigning my job. They don't know this yet, because like I tell you, I still have a follow-up interview with them tomorrow, so they don't know this yet. And I know they're gonna be so upset and disappointed when I give them this information, but I have to choose me. You know what I mean? Like I said, I've been there for so long. You people didn't recognize my worth, even though you kept saying so and so and so and so. Somebody else decided to give me an offer when you guys finally decided to pick me up on the offer that you guys have been promising me for the whole time, for how much months now. It's gonna be sad, because like I said, I'm living in fear as well, because I don't know what to expect. What if I not like it when I go there? What if I like it? Me no know. God, you provide them 2 jobs for me now. Me I think, what if I really stay, want to stay, or I go, want to go? Me no know. You get what I say? So it's like, I'm happy, but I don't know. My thoughts just all over the place at the same time, because I don't know what to do, what to expect. I just don't know. I just don't know. Yeah, I'm out. But that is the update that I wanted to share with you guys. Please, but keep on it. Every now and then I still come with the negative comments like, "Oh, no, done. I not answer, and I not appear in my mind no more. I know no problem come to me some video blurry, but I not answer that either. So I couldn't know from now. Me I tell you before you even come tell me. Me know, I can see it. The glare from the light and whatever, yeah, me know. But I was just comfortable where I am right now. I just couldn't bother to go move. But guys, that is the good news that I wanted to share with you guys. Why? I'm confused, but I'm doing this afraid. So I wanted to come share the story with you guys. Of course, I'm gonna come tell you more as time goes by, but that is the latest update that I have for you guys. And you know, separate apart from the pranks to make you guys laugh and think, we have real life situation and go on, so we have to make you aware of that as well. So that was that. Pray for me while I pray for you, and enjoy your Sunday, guys, and have a lovely rest of your day. Bye bye.